Hi everyone, welcome back to Hedgehog Hollow and welcome to part of our Crayola takeover. Today we're working with watercolor pencils and we're going to work with a beautiful floral stamp set. This one's called Engagement Wishes. I can use anything I want, which is what I like about this particular ink pad. The reason I'm doing this is just so I can add some extra leaves in here. You need to fill in an area. And really we're going to guide the eye with colour when we get to our watercolour pencils. So I'm just giving it a quick dry here just to make sure my ink pad is nice and dry. Okay, so we have some really nice colours in here. I think I'm going to go with the pink and the red. And I'm really going to make this pop. So just kind of start colouring. To start with, I do a very loose colouring. Red in the middle, pink around the edges. I'd be quite generous with the colour because remember you're going to add water to it and you're going to pull out some of that colour. And you'll notice that I'm kind of almost doing like a zigzag colouring. Again, that's because I'm going to pull out some of that colour. I'm also going to blend out some of my red. So I'm going over at the end of where I coloured red with the pink. I'm going around the edges of each petal. If there's heavy shading in the stamp, you want that to guide you as to somewhere that you want to put a lot of the pigment in the pen. And you can see how that pink and red is already coming together to give me a couple of different shades. And I'm going to do the same thing again. So I'm going to do on my leaves, I'm going to do a light down the center. And you see how we get a nice variegated leaf. And how easy is that for coloring? So you do not need to be an expert colorist. These pencils are so creamy. Right, so we're ready to mount it up into a finished card. I'm going to use a piece of pink cardstock just to add a little bit of something extra. So we have our happy birthday in there. So I need this to go down to 3 3/4 by 5 inches. And I'm going to pop my happy birthday along the top, fairly central. And then I'm going to grab these Crayola glitter glues. And I'm just going to squeeze off to the side so I don't get any squirts. And just add. And there's one in here that's a little bit brighter. I'm just going to add one dot and take it down like that. But isn't that so pretty? Really, really easy to come together. Perfect birthday card. And if you're one of our Perks members, this could be your birthday card. If you want to find out more, check out the description below or that top right-hand corner, of course, for all the details of how to become a Perks member and all the extra bonuses you can get to be part of that Hedgehog Hollow community. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell and check out at the Hedgehog Hollow and at Crayola over on Instagram to find out all the details of the Hedgehog Hollow takeover. Links to everything we've used are in the description below, plus check out thehedgehoghollow.com for all the details and the rest of the takeover, plus some extra top tips as well. We can't wait to share more of Crayola with you. We'll see you again very soon. Hit that subscribe button, ring the bell. Of course, hit the join button to be part of the Hedgehog Hollow community and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you again tomorrow with another tip, trick tutorial, or maybe something else. We can't wait to see you. And in the meantime, happy crafting and have a great day. Bye.